how can you use open houses to get more leads? Okay, so I'm going to talk about how do you pack a house at an open house, right? The first thing you need to do is I think you need to pick the right time. So to me, we're in Texas, right? But it's Saturdays and Sundays. Watch out for the Cowboy games. So picking the right time can be critical for you. Okay, the second thing is to pick the right house. The right house that has a lot of visibility when you can see the open house signs out, that's going to be a big deal. If it's not in a gated community, that's going to be great. If it's on a busy street, around a busy street where you can put the signs on a busy street, that's also really good. And you also want to have it kind of in your price point too, but that's another topic. So get that together. The next thing I recommend is you need to market like a pro. Having the signs out there, doing all the marketing, maybe some social media would help, but market that thing like a pro. That's also a good expectation if somebody's looking to use you and you market it well there, you market it classy, you market it well, what that's going to do if they use you as a listing agent. So that's another thing. The next thing I would recommend is you want to network. You want to get to know people and you want to invite people to your open houses. So, some people say the rich get richer, which I hope that that's being used as a good phrase, not as a envious phrase, right? But it really, if you can be a great networker, the rich get richer. If you network with a lot of people, you have some buyers, you can invite them to your open house. It helps the buyers feel like, hey, you're an agent that's doing really well, and it also helps you, get more people into your home. So it's a real benefit. So networking really helps out, and the more you can do, you can stir that energy, get them to your open house, and even if they don't show up to your open house, they're really excited that it looks like you're a realtor that's got a lot of stuff going on. So those are some hints. I have a few more. I love to talk real estate, would love to help you out. Give me a shout if you have any questions.